Good morning. We are here in Batanta to have a go at the waterfall, round 2, chasing waterfalls. Came to a different part of the island this time. We got here last night at, it was already dark, so we couldn't see anything. So a little bit sketchy arriving in a new place after dark, but anchored in 24 meters here, and woke up this morning to pretty nice bay. Huge amounts of birds and massive trees around, and there's some wind, but I can really feel that I can hear water. So I'm pretty confident. But I was really confident last time too, as you saw in the last video, so we'll see. There's no one here, there's no sign of life. There's a tiny little sort of jetty thing over there, but it's not really anything major. There's lots of fish and birds diving and things like that. But yeah, we'll jump in the dinghy and go and check this out. This could be what we're looking for. It's a pretty fancy walkway. This could just be it. Right, we're going to walk up here and have a look. Well, it changed now instantly from mangrove to crazy rainforest. It's really big trees, a lot of birds, lianas. It's really moist and warm, hot feeling in here, heavy. But pretty cool. And I can hear the river, so I think we have struck gold here. I got my Subtech bag with me. These guys supplied me with a waterproof bag. It's completely waterproof. It's got shock protection, blow up panels inside. I just throw all my camera gear in here. So it's completely safe in here. Well, super happy to have finally found a waterfall here after searching and getting lost with it for a while. It's just really nice. I mean, swimming here in the ocean every day and looking at the coral and everything is really beautiful, but swimming in fresh water that's a bit cooler, it's really refreshing and soft, and yeah, you don't feel all sticky afterwards, and it's just real nice. Plus, who doesn't love a good waterfall in the middle of the forest? So beautiful here, really, really cool.
Beautiful.
So as you saw from the great drone footage, we hit the bottom with the dinghy. It was really my fault. I just taught Marie how to drive the dinghy 10 minutes before so I could fly the drone, and she was concentrating on driving and not where we were going. So yeah, we ran into the mud, and I'm pretty sure that we clogged up the cooling system, because after that, once we got off, there was no more water coming out of the telltale. So I'm going to take the leg off and check the water pump to make sure that we've got everything going, make sure the impeller's not broken. Everything's turning okay, so should be all good. Okay, she's all back together now. Starting to rain a bit, but we'll give it a test. Should be good. Water coming out the bottom. The cooling system's working. Water's going around and around. We'll take it for a blast. Running. Well, that's another episode done. Short and sweet, that one, but I really like the feel of it. Thanks a lot to Marie for helping filming a little bit of it, and being an important part in the film as well. She looks better than me, that's for sure. Right now I'm on the way to Halmahera. It is 160 miles to there, I think, so it'll be 20 something hour passage overnight. But that'll be in the next episode. I'll make a video about that. Thanks again to all my patrons. I'd give you a double thumbs up, but I'm holding the camera, so I'll just do this. For all the continued support, I thank you very much. And yeah, look forward to your comments on this video, and hope you come back and watch the next one. See you next time.